back to my channel. This is your girl, Mrs. Rita F. Brewer. I hope everyone is doing well. Please, if you are new to my page, I say I congratulate you for coming to my page. YouTube is free. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and put your comments down more, alright? In this video, I started doing my hair on Sunday, but I went break because I wanted to do it well. I was busy. So now my hair is finished and I'm gonna upload a video. So this is the end of my hair. Check the video out, but before, let's go to the intro. All right, guys, this is the video that I started doing my hair on Sunday. Check it out and see the beginning of it. And this video that you're about to watch, you can see how my hair has grown. I've been using my own MSM powder and ginger to grow my hair. My edges is growing. My hair is thicker, shiny, smooth, and healthy. So I will leave you guys to watch the video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. God bless you. See you on my next video. Ciao, Bella.